Hey guys, as you can see by the title, this is just a very quick video. This is something that I got sent by Derwent sent to me. I've had a lot of requests to do this review, and so I just thought it would be really cool because I've never done one of these like unboxings or, you know, showing off these hauls, that type of stuff. So I think these are all going to be really pleasantly surprised with this product that I have from Derwent to review. So let's just open it and have a look, and we'll see, and we'll talk a little bit about it before we cut the video, because it's just like an unboxing. It's not this isn't the review. So this came this morning. I've had a lot of requests to do a review of this. There we go. Good old scissors. Okay, so here's the box. So any guesses as to what you think it might be yet? Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is the 100 set of the Derwent Inktense. Now, I've been really reluctant about these pencils. I don't know why, but they're not pencils that I really wanted to gravitate to or to test or to try out or anything like that. But I was sitting thinking about the other day, and I thought, you know, I love marker art, and so these are essentially markers in pencils, in a pencil format. You know, it's ink inside it. So I was talking to Derwent about the review, and I'd said I might do something along the lines of like a Marvel character or something like that. And they had said to me, yeah, that sounds great. And the reason why I wanted to do that was because I wanted to use them in the same kind of way that I would use my markers. And Derwent said, yeah, that would be a great idea, but for the review, could you do something that like they could use? Because obviously a Marvel character or something like that, if they like the artwork, they can't use it. So I've done something different. I've drawn out something different that I'm going to use. So let's take the lid off and open the set, and we'll just take a very, very quick peek at what is inside here. So there's a little booklet, let you know about the Inktense range. Obviously there's a lot of different, you know, Inktense isn't just these pencils. There's a whole range of different Inktense products, but I'll talk more about that in the review, and I'll, you know, make sure that the review is really in depth, gives you a really good understanding. I mean, Inktense has its own paper, which is I've used the paper before, and it's a beautiful paper as well. Very high quality, like the light fast paper. So here we go. You can see there all those gorgeous yellows coming into these reds, and then coming into these purples and violets. Obviously the Inktense range only used to be a 72 set, and obviously they increased it up to 100 set. Now, I still haven't really forgiven Derwent for getting rid of the 120 set of the Derwent artist, because I loved those pencils and I loved the, you know, what the extra colours. But I suppose I'm gonna just have to forgive them and move on with it, because it is what it is. So you can see here, look at all these gorgeous dark blues, really nice light blues as well, coming into these greens. I'm really looking forward to swatching these greens out. So that's the middle set, and then the bottom set here you can see all these earth tones So really looking forward to doing the art piece that I have for these. I think the thing that I've selected is going to really show these pencils in their best light, because obviously the Inktense pencils are really, really bright and vibrant and highly saturated and all those types of things. And because they're ink, you can like leave a layer down and then build up and build up and build up with your layers, and you're not going to disturb the layer underneath. So, but I'll talk loads more about that in the review. So that's the 100 set of the Derwent Inktense. Really looking forward to getting into this artwork and getting into the review and to swatching these out as well. I might, if I can set it up, I might do a live stream tomorrow of swatching them at some point during tomorrow. If I can get everything set up, I'll do a live stream swatching these out. But once I get the equipment set up, if I can get the equipment set up, I will send out a tweet and a Facebook thing letting everybody know that I'm going to be doing the live stream swatching these pencils out. So, but obviously if I can't get it set up, then I'm not going to be able to do it. But you'll see it in the review either way. Alright guys, thanks very much. It's just a quick video showing you this. I hope you are excited to hear about this review and to see the artwork that I do as well. Hopefully the artwork will turn out the way I have in my mind. So, see you all in the review guys. Thanks. Bye.